Good day, happy campers. The subject of today's video is the dreaded symbol check engine light, as you can see on my screen. The sign of death. Usually it induces panic, but in this case I did not, because I know I don't have any moolah to go to the dealer. So I went to the YouTube and figured out how to find out what is going on. The solution for that, folks, is quite simple. You go and buy yourself a OBD2 scanner. This model. Got it? Get it? Good. And it has the wire and the connector. So what you need to do next is go to the car, turn off the engine, connect the OBD scanner. I'll show that to you in a minute, and then I'll show you the resolution. But in this case, I have resolved my problem. That's why I'm using this as a example. So hang in there. Now let's pretend I'm here at the car. Make sure the engine is off. Don't go messing with it when the engine is on. Let's pretend as if we are connecting the OBD scanner. The scanner connecting port is down underneath here, right above the brake. Okay, you may not see it. It's that black thing up there. You connect it like that underneath there into the port, and then let's pretend it's connected. Then you turn the car one click. Don't turn it on all the way, just one click. The OBD scanner will power up and give you the error code. In my case, it said something like P0300 503 or something like that. P003. Of course, I didn't know what the heck that was. So I went and Googled it. There's no need to ask anybody a damn thing anymore. You just go Google it. Okay, I'm not wearing my belt. There we go. So I Googled it. It said you have either moisture or something laden somewhere in your fuel system. And if that is not the case, you'll have to... So there are two solutions to that. Okay? One is the cheap approach. The other one is the expensive approach. But let me first tell you something about my car. I had not used it for nearly a year, and it was sitting on a trickle charge in my garage for that duration of time. And because I had other cars I was using and so on and so forth. So that might have induced moisture, so that makes perfect logical sense. So next step, what is the solution? Hang in there. Now y'all don't make fun of my workbench. It serves as well as the next one. The cheapest solution was to go buy this additive called heat, gasland antifreeze and water remover. So that's what I did. And look at the neck of it. It goes nicely into the gas tank. So take one of that, shake it nicely, walk over to the back of your car, open up the gas cap and just pour the whole damn thing in. Drive it back and forth a little bit so that it mixes nicely, and then run the engine for a little while, just a little while for it to mix up, and shut it down and go away. I came back the next day. Now that we are done with this heat thing, let me throw this in the workbench / garbage can. That done, I came back in here and turn the engine on. And guess what? No check engine light no more. The whole cost of this episode was $2.08 on Amazon. So when I can solve it for $2.08 and avoid a dealer call, dealer visit for at least a couple of $100 just to see my face, he would have charged me that much, or my car in this case. So that's how that's done, gentlemen. And if there was a further issue, that would have been the spark plugs. You would have had to go and make sure that the gap is correct, cleaned up and all that. Good luck, folks. Happy driving. Y'all have a nice day now. Bye.